Guys, PC is booted successfully. I haven't checked with graphic card yet, but first I'm going to install Windows. Yes. Pre-assembly Windows installation. My first PC build, guys. Okay, as we can see, the motherboard is disassembled from our cabinet, and we're planning to use this heatsink instead of this because it's slimmer in height than this. We are using these nut and bolts to make it securely. I even don't know how I will do it, but I will make it. And yeah, we're gonna change thermal paste, and that's really old heat sink, and it's really beefy. I mean, beefier than this one. This one is like even lighter than half of its weight, so might this will dissipate heat more greatly than this one because it's more dense. I don't know how it will exactly work, but will do. And yeah, as you can see, it's AntEsports Ant's value H81 motherboard. And let's get started. See what I can do. And yeah, one more thing. This has some clips. This was used for mounting CPU fan, the older one, the style that whatever it was. But I'm hoping to use to mount them with this so it will get secured. Let's get going. Okay guys, as you can see, I somehow managed to secure them with this cleat. Actually, I was planning to do it with differently with this kind of clips, but they don't really work. I don't know how I will do it, but okay, the work is done. So okay, and it's damn secure. Like you can see, I can lift it, shake it. Everything is rigid. Nice. Okay, so after an hour of hard work and ripping off my fingers, I successfully installed it, and it double secure with these clips. These clips are used for such kind of tube lights. So it's damn rigid. साला इतना कड़ा खराब हो गया, मैं बाद में निकालूंगा कैसा? Anyways, let's install it in our that bar shit thing and test it. अगर सब कुछ पहले